little bird. My tea earth. I use Christmas decorations. Hey, you damaging my wood. We're too big to be in the rain together. Don't do your gangster face. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice and this is my Marcelo. I call him a lot of names, so I don't know what to choose. But we're gonna do the husband tag. So we're gonna answer questions about how we met, so you guys get to know who he is, or I don't know, whatever. But the first question is, where did you meet? Where did we meet, honey?
I met at Giant.
We met at this grocery store called Giant. I don't know if you guys have it in your state, but we met at the grocery store that we used to work together at. He was a dairy stocker and I was a cashier, and I saw him walk by my cash register and I was like, ooh, my head was like, and I literally watched him walk to the time clock and walk back, and I had a customer and I was just like, I'm pretty sure I was like frozen, like, and I watched him walk out the store. Watch him walk out the store and then turn the corner. I was basically a little stalker, but he didn't know that I was stalking him. Now, I didn't really stalk him. That sounds so bad. But I watched him walk out the store, and then I kept on eyeing him, and then, yeah. And then Facebook, I stalked him on Facebook. And it sounds so wrong, but it's a beautiful story, because 11 years later and I'm still a stalker. How long did you date before getting married? We met in February of 06, and we were together for what? February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So I would say 9 months.
7, 8 months.
Yeah. Something like that. And then we got married in November of that year. What is your favorite feature of me?
Your lips.
My lips. Ooh, now I know how to, I have to put stuff on my dry lips.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You're not supposed to agree with me. Favorite quality?
You're asking me, or you're asking yourself?
No, I'm asking you.
Quality? I don't know.
You don't have, okay. Well, we're moving on, because I don't want this to be a long video about nothing. So, what is my favorite color?
Pink.
Yay! I am a pink girl. What is my favorite food?
I don't know, jerk chicken?
Jerk chicken? Wrong. It has to be some kind of chicken. I love chicken, but it's not jerk chicken. What is my favorite sports team?
You don't have one?
Thank you. What is my favorite TV show?
You don't have one?
That's true, I don't watch TV. What kind of salad dressing am I most likely to get on my salad at a restaurant?
Ranch.
Ranch, yes, I love ranch. Love ranch. What food do I not like?
Pork.
Pork. That is so random. Pork.
Yeah, you don't like pork.
We don't eat pork.
You don't like pork.
We don't eat pork, so I don't know why. What? That is so random. I don't like eggs. Ew. What size shoe do I wear? Oh, that's none of your business. But you can answer. 8?
Mm-hmm.
No, don't go to nobody's store and buy me no size 8 shoes. That's not my shoe size, but don't buy me any shoe, please. Thank you. Okay, what is my favorite type of sandwich? What kind of questions are these?
You don't like sandwiches.
There you go. I don't like food, to be honest. My husband got me hooked on food, but I was never a food person. If I could eat one thing every day, what would it be? I don't even know myself. So that's a hard question. What is my favorite cereal?
You don't have one either.
True. I don't eat cereal. I know his favorite cereal, but I don't eat cereal. What is my favorite music?
No, like Keisha Cole.
I love Keisha Cole. Love me some Keisha Cole. Love. That's it. What is my eye color?
Brown.
They are brown. I have brown eyes. Who is my best friend? Don't get this wrong.
Sabine.
Sabine is my best friend. She lives in California with her kids. I haven't seen her for a long time. So if you're watching this, Sabine, hi. What is something I do that you wish I wouldn't?
That's a good one. Be on your phone all the time.
That is not something that I do.
It is something
that you dislike. It shouldn't be. It keeps me out of your hair. What is my heritage? What is my heritage and where am I from?
The Caribbean.
The Caribbean? What? I'm just from the Caribbean? Just randomly, just the Caribbean. Yeah, where am I from?
You're black.
What heritage am I and where am I from?
You're black.
Duh. Everybody know I'm black.
You're from Jamaica.
I'm from Jamaica. You didn't know that, did you? You just randomly guessed. Did I play any sports? Ooh, if you get this wrong, I'm gonna beat you.
Yeah, you play sports. I just don't remember which one. What? I don't remember the name of the sport.
You can tell you know nothing about me.
What?
What sports did I play?
I don't remember what sport you played. You played
It's called netball.
Yeah,
it's netball. Oh my god.
Sport.
It's a sports in Jamaica called netball. It's basically like volleyball. No, it's not volleyball. It's like basketball, but it has more stricter rules. If you bake me a cake, what kind would I like? You better not get this wrong either. It's the same color as me.
That's black cake.
Yes, thank you. What is one unique talent I have?
A talent. You're good with numbers.
Numbers? I'm good with my feet. I can pick things up with my...
Oh, you can pick things up with your feet. Yeah, that's right. I guess, yeah.
That is so weird, but it's true. I can pick anything up with my feet. How did you feel when I went natural? What?
What?
How did you feel when I went natural?
Like I had a new wife. Yeah, you went natural. You had fake hair. Now you have real hair.
What? This is so weird. What is your opinion on natural hair?
I like natural hair.
So you don't like me with like braids and...
No, it's not that.
Cause if I hit you, You don't like me with?
I like braids, but I like. You said what's my opinion on natural hair? I like natural hair.
You do?
Mhm.
Okay. Well, thanks for doing this challenge tag. It's actually a tag. Thanks for doing this tag with me.
You're welcome. Why are you trying to kiss me? Why are you trying to kiss me? Exactly.
It has to be sloppier for it to be big boy. Come on.
Alright.